Hello and welcome back for another Crafter's Toolbox. As you may know, we are in the middle of my SVG release, so I've got some really cool cut files for you for Halloween, and I'm sharing some Distress Oxide combinations that you can use to create blended backgrounds. So today is the second in this series, and we'll be working on this awesome bat card. I love that these samples it takes just a matter of minutes to do the blending, and then you put the overlay over the top and this card is done. It's so easy to do and it really just has such a wow effect, especially if you use a mirror card look like this. So we were going to work on this blend and it's super simple. I don't even have to fade out to another screen because I am ready to go. So don't forget to leave a comment today so you can be in the running for a free copy of all of the SVG files. So this blend is another really easy blend. It doesn't even have any spatter in it, so if you're a beginner at blending, this is a really great one to give a try. So I'm starting with Wild Honey, and this is just a straight up 4-color blend. So I've got Wild Honey. This is a really great bright yellow orange. And I'm taking up just over a quarter of the card. What I don't want to have happen is when I go into the spice marmalade, I don't want to push it too far back to the top and then lose all of that wild honey. So it's okay to go down a little further than you might think you need to go. So that's pretty good. Then I'm going to move on into spice marmalade. And just like the previous card, I like to load these brushes up. I'm going for nice, rich, dark blends, so don't be afraid to really get a lot of ink on them. So I go right in, and now I'm going to start blending back in to the wild honey. And you can see you can very easily get to the top of that much faster than you might want. So I've got that. I'm going to come back in and finish this blend up top here with the wild honey. So just a little bit more. And we'll clear up this line right here. All right, so that looks pretty good. All right, so I'll turn this around. Okay, our next color is going to be Seedless Preserves. So that bright purpley color. And again, remember this one's pretty potent. So you might want to dab off a little bit before you go into your cardstock. Remember, you can always add more. You can't really take it away. All right, so I'll pull this back up into the spice marmalade and get this really cool kind of pinkish purple. You can see that I have these rough lines here, so I'm going to go back with my spice marmalade and just clean up that blend. And poof, it just disappears. This is a really great color combination for a sunset. So if you have a need outside of these Halloween cards, this is a really great one to just keep in mind. All right, so my last color is Wilted Violet. And just like everything else, just load it up and get it down on the cardstock. Let's get a little closer here. So this is really more of a true purple, but it blends into the Seedless Preserves with no problem. All right, so I've got that in there. Let's just grab some Seedless Preserves to blend out that line. The other thing I like about this card design for someone who's new to blending is that by putting the overlay over it, it's going to hide a lot of the imperfections. So if you have problems blending your lines, never fear. Your overlay is here. So once you put that overlay over the top, you end up with a really, really stunning sunset, but also very Halloween-y look. Really, really awesome with those bats. So if you don't use the black, the shiny black, you could use silver, you could use even a glitter paper. It would look really stunning with this lovely overlay. So don't forget to leave a comment to be in the running for the free SVG cut files. Thank you for stopping by, and I will see you soon with another blend for our Halloween series. But until next time, happy crafting.